story about the La République DDR Mafia. Oh, did I say DDR? That was German. DDR Mafia. And of course, we're giving updates about La République soldiers the way they run the boom. And so some of it, I don't overstay for one man country when I don't know the meaning of the word boom. I mean say open to kill. You see, and the problem is when you lost connection to your culture. Because when you lost connection to your culture, you lost connection to the basic ingrediential words what you use them for sweeten tori. I say, La République soldier, they don't the open Tokyo. Master, I don't understand. I mean say, they don't the Chakash. If you don't understand what I mean. I mean say, they don't go through Mapang. The only people where they go to the Cebu, you understand that term, Mapang. They don't run. I mean say, if you see the way when La République soldiers now, that they run away from the country, that they run away from Ambaland, that they run away, that means say, it pass how man they run for go mountain race. The speed. What they say? See, I don't tell them, say, the fear of Amazonia is the beginning of life. I have said it, and I've said it countlessly on this platform, that the fear of Amazonia is the beginning of life. The Bible says the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. But my own principle I'm giving you is that the fear of Amazonia is the beginning of life. I mean, repeat that. No, because you see, when they go meter their water flow, they go meter their barlock inside Ambaland. I said the way La République soldier that they pump now, the way that they open Tokyo, the way that they Chakash, it's bad. If you been a La République soldier, I want start. If I might start for the one, I want give warning. I didn't warn you yourself. In fact, I didn't warn you. This is not the warning. It's, you know, just because my heart over good. I want just give you advice if you love life. No. If you do work for La République Army, if you do work for La République B, and you do work for La République Police, and you love life, well, I don't know French. Si tu travailles dans la police de B de la République, I talk of your language, me understand. When I hear me, when I listen to some of we with the Dutch French classes, and the way with Dutch French classes, you know what I want to talk with use my hand and foot. So when I just permit me, I want to try to give some advice for the few one the way they still love life. Si tu travailles dans l'armée camerounaise, dans l'armée la République du Cameroun, dans le BI, dans le police, si tu aimes la vie, quitte Amazonie. I'm talking about for small French one, no. At least if I go for heaven, Papa go to say at least I be give warning for those who they love life. You know, I don't talk my own. I dey give warning again. I say if you are a bee, you are an army, you love life. Well, okay. Oh. Country people, the way bees and armies and they run, they the kit, then the mafia, the Tokyo, away from Amberland. You know, say they're idle on the open. You see, the funniest thing about this is that those Dictator Biya is sending to go and die in the battle against Amazonians are young people, mostly the Bamilikis and the Nordis. He will not send his own to the people from his village. This is where is from here on the side there. No, they don't. They will not send people. They are sending, but those ones that are fools, the tupuris. And I like the way my boys that deal with them now. Paul, only a Paul, yeah. Oh, je suis fini, oh, je suis fini, oh, oh, je vais prier mon dernier. La dernière, I thought, now this is some of you who don't know fresh. But when I look at this, it tells me something as an Ambazonian. It gives me the confidence and uplifting and trust for my boys and girls then. Our brave warriors, 21 guns salute for una. When I don't show we say una strong. See, you know what it mean? Say untrained soldiers them. They subdue trained armies with strong, well-supplied ammunitions from the United States, from France, from China, from Israel, name them. Ambazonia strong. No, see, the fear of Ambazonia is the beginning of life. Ambazonia strong. And for all those few, and I permit me to use the word Anglophone brothers there. Ambazonian brothers, what they do for B, for army, for gendarme, what they use una. Okay, watch this show because I'm about to expose some things to you. But my little advice for you, run. Run. Run for your, you get 2 means for run. Either you join the one, look, you see the Bamileki that they run, they go to Dubai now, they fly, they run, they go places. Run. Some they go Nigeria, some they go Gabon, they go Ghana, they go take their asylum. Run, no! You say, now you over Sabi. Now you want to go show play where Amber the day. Now you know who's Amber the fight. Oh, you come up for Manfe, you come up for Lady Aleb, you come up for Fako, you be Fako Pikin. Now you want to go show. Okay. Okay. You go to regret. They talk what they tell you when you go for the other side. When your spirit don't leave your body don't scatter into pieces. Because these Amazonian boys, they don't upgrade. Chuck them know they again. Nana, back. Oh! I said the way B that they run, the Bamileki on the way again says that they run. Now I warning and I open it for all the other one. They went a Ambazonian bet where they don't go join army or be there. Look, run. If you don't know, if you want me to help you, call me. Run. But before you want to run, you want me to help you, you must give me assurance, you must key at least 3 be there before I help me run. Because now catch my back, I catch your back. But my advice what I give you say, if you love life, run. A word to your wife is sufficient. I don't overemphasize on that topic. I continue to go. Because Mr. Mano can't say, Mr. Nanchop, you can't advise be them. I said, no, I'm not can't advise them, but I can't tell them say, the way we love life, me mapang, me to feel. I mean say make it run. Country people as when I join, when I click for the share button, you might see what it happen. Might see one who don't join, might take 1 or 2 greetings already. Yes, I see Ida says, hi Mr. Nanchop, hi beautiful woman, I greet you. I see my man Gabulov. He said, I also hope the all harvest. My brother, so TT the Queen says, make when I share. Country people, we know the wind my way come late to that, they go straight for my presentation because to read plenty time short. Country pass at the top for when I saw. Well, they say, be the way they get sense, they say their land, their house, their home. So they leave their home and they say they prefer life. I know I open the secret. Now just say I love life, but wait to where my Ambazonian brother they don't do. I mean, wait to where they get her now, and they talk. Wait to where Amber War draft it don't do. Me say for I be strong-hearted Amazonia. I said, he catch me for winter as I be tough years so snow the fall for outside, but he told me as I see only. I just say, well, might just give the warning for be the way they love life. Then pack. Start to go because La Republic is down. Now, as I tell you now, you see, for all the while, I never talk too much of public. Because now when you walk, they talk. They get time for can't talk for social media, rum up. No, I want just can't update on today on some key things them I go. I don't go see me again for a while. But when I can't talk again, I know some people na plenty to read. The truth na say, man, when you walk, when you concentrate the work, they talk plenty. Forget all the one where they can't run up, shout, budu. Which army? So I say, he get army, he get this, he get. That's a sign of frustration. If you see my way today, he start the one. He leave a halfway. He come for the one. He leave a halfway. They be there for Changshu. They there for Pin. They go for dark. They come out for dark. They say that they get Anna. They are jumping from one point because it's a sign of frustration. Now, sign for sure you say they don't get anything tangible. They are confused. They be totally confused. Those idiots, those frustrated baboons, they be totally confused. They don't be focused. Today we say na Anna, tomorrow na dark, tomorrow na this. They go count us to we get the highest army on ground zero. Tomorrow we are still to build the army. The next day we don't have any army. Give me a better definition of a confused person. Because we go tell you today say Sako thief 2 million. Tomorrow Sako don't buy house. The next day Sako don't get no house. Sako is broke. Man, I say you say. I don't know. They be totally confused in their organization. Well, what you expect from people where they be led by Pesue in the chop La Republic Pap. Ma let that to so. Country people, Papa and Mammy them. With the win. La Republic be underestimate our resolveness. Them be underestimate our strength and might. See, no ever underestimate the might of a determined person. Obama be talk some talk where I like that talk. He say, if you make up your mind so you want to kill the president of America, you get to make up your mind for die. And I saw Amazonia, they don't make on. See, our brothers and sisters in if you die again. Can you imagine? You know when this Arab guys they be very dangerous. They if you die. So how you want treat if Okima when if you die? Instead that you be a danger. Now you be endangered. So La Republic go big ball run inside Amazonia. In fact, they go regret why they ever siege we, why they ever attack we. Because we not only defeat them inside Amazonia, we go defeat them inside La Republic. We go make them miserable in their own land. I need the prophesy, they tell you the truth. A word to your wise is sufficient. By the way, may I give you a few announcements? Plenty people, they never notice the same my number don't change. Most of them still get my American number. When they try to write me, when they call me, so when they write me for Facebook, say they don't write me, they don't call me for WhatsApp, and then they go. About 4 months ago, I don't change that number. Look for screen here, look for down. Now my new number, this. Look for here. Not when I used to, I know Papa and Mommy every day for my live show. This number there for here. So if you want to contact me, you want to write me, now number this for screen. It is always here every day. And this. So check them. If my number then I don't want to get for screen, then you get for changer. Number 2 announcement. Some people they don't contact me, say they don't be blocked by my Facebook, they don't fit comment and the rest. You see, not true. If you've been a true fan for Mr. Nanchop and for this Amber Voice platform, and you see say you be blocked, maybe you think an error, you will contact me. Because I get a team of admin where they go check. Sometimes maybe some person they coach, you can't coach the person, they block you to because join that person. Yes, my admin them, they need to think nonsense. So one beg you say avoid for follow those individuals that they come for can coach. When you come for a show like this, you want to come be inspired, you want to come be encouraged, you want to get a message. So you don't can't join those negative people. You will not change them. They are father and a lineman. They are big brother and they are complice and a lineman. They are own leader and a lineman. So what you expect from them? Allow them to write their nonsense for enemy go block them. So I want to make those 2 announcements. Now we'll go straight to the next point, which is be very important. Now, security concerned. I am very concerned about the way we are exposing certain materials on social media. I want to ask you some questions. You ready to watch me right now, Papa and Mommy them, my brother and my sister them, and my fellow activists. If you receive a video from our brothers or sisters them for Ground Zero, maybe for an act where they commit or maybe they make a video for inform the public about or somebody about something, and then you take that video, you quickly put it for social media, for Facebook, for your platform. Maybe in the name of you want to be the first person we publish them. I want to ask you a question. Imagine say the boy or the girl will be the talk for that video. It call his full names. It call his location for play day for Ground Zero. Now your own blood brother or sister. You go take that video, put it for social media. Let's be honest. You know, because you know how many videos I receive on daily basis from people from Ground Zero? But you will hardly see me share them. Because the first thing I'm thinking is, this is coming from my brother. It is coming from my sister. I'm putting myself in their position. I'm looking at their security. If I put this video out there, which message are they passing for the enemy? Am I jeopardizing the security of this individual? Maybe if it be like a video where they ask for financial help, that they try to make known they applied. If you want to send that video to the Health and Social Service Department, if na video where you look and say, be good, you want to send them for their county. Something they pass me, why would be so excited for just get videos, put them out? I want you to talk to the activists. We do oversell our own people by our ignorance. Now true, these boys of Ground they just be excited. We don't want them plenty time, maybe they know they make certain videos, but they make them. We can censor those videos before we put them out. Person no just send you video, you just excitedly you put them out there. In the talking name, in the talking play where they stay, in papa name, in village where they in location. And you know very well say La Republic they monitor those things. Tomorrow, you don't see that boy don't die. Oh, rest in peace, brave warrior. Now you kill him indirectly. You are the one who killed him or her. Now you kill him. Because if you be protect that image, you don't put it on social media, you convey the message. If you still do what you need to be done. I think say one of the greatest advantage we'll get on these days and in this generation are social media. But if we not be wise, it will be one of our greatest disadvantage. How many times our brothers and sisters are sacred don't be exposed just because we act irresponsibly on social media? And I want to talk for the Defense Department, for all the counties and NSC. If truly these boys are where they fight, they're under una control, and they make videos, they send them for una. Why would I say una if you censor these videos, which one get for go out and which one not get for go out? You will work for the county defense. You fight and they send you video. You just take and they send them out. And the worst thing when they hurt me, I say, sometimes I didn't even see La Republic activists even get the video first before we. How it do get into their hands? I be tempted to feel say most of our brothers and sisters even for the Defense Department some people they've been a double side collapse because you know if it be for diaspora wherever you dey, the control fighter for Ground Zero will be in a harsh situation. He send you a video concerning something, you just take and put them on social media, raw material, in full names. How you want to send that fighter tomorrow? May go past the motor, go pass through security, go buy something. When you face, you don't put it all over. In name they all over. Why? Then there was even in location. They said outside there, we there for a corner, you talk am. Why? Why would they act like say we get sense, Maza? This thing they hurt me because I don't see these things a series of times. Then a few weeks after, you see those boys that don't die. Now who kill them? The boy they act out of ignorance, not true. But if you be better than them, then act with wisdom. Protect those guys. And I talk for all the activists, them all. I beg you in the name of God. No matter who say you receive with try to hide the identity of our brothers and sisters. Not be so excited for send them out there. Okay, If it be a video where they want help, send them for the Department of Health and Social Services. Send them for your own county department where they take care of that. In that video, if you end within your county, if the boy they want help. Certain things they don't put them out. Certain things they don't know put them out. If you be so boys, they go key 20 bees. They show you how they do and they do them. The most important thing I said, they don't kill 20 bees. And almost can't put them for us where they show their position, where they show this and that, they show their tactics. I have a carry a plumb head. They go send ADF, they go to show how their body they make juju for France 24. Can you imagine how dull these individuals are? I have a go the talk, go show them for you how that's primitivity in the highest order. You want to show the international community say you use juju. Why for? What? So you know when I don't get sacred. How many times you don't see La Republique when their soldiers they do something or they die and they go take images of the casual? Those are a psychological game. How many times you don't see La Republique that they go show you their own juju? Them? You just say they don't use juju. So you just see La Republique don't get occultic powers when they use them. How many times don't they do all those things that they put them on social media? Come on, brothers and sisters. Let's not make this a topic, but I just feel like we need to act wisely. We need to act very wisely. Mostly the activists. You know, I don't ask you a simple question. You receive a video from Gonzalo. The boy or the girl, he talk in name, he talk in position. Now fighter, he talk in name and in position and place where he dey. You take and put it on social media. If that boy be then your blood brother or your blood sister, he talk that talk, he disclose place where he dey, you for put it on social media. Not be inside you for the fear. You know, and disclose your own brother and sister while you do it for another man. Negligence and wickedness. You see, now that passive wickedness that, because you know the feel for you know the feeling in your brother and sister, because even your own bikin or blood brother or blood sister, be make that video, talk all that in them, reveal a position, reveal place where they, you know for put that, you know even share them. But these boys fighting, they are our blood brothers. Now, listen, I don't must come out for the same papa or mommy for some person for you to be my blood brother. Every Ambazonian is my blood. That's how I see every Ambazonian. And I want my motivation of love that for every Ambazonian. Now my blood. I treat them like my own blood sisters and brothers. I want to feel for them. I want to get this empathy for them, like my own brothers and sisters. I want to treat their security, their well-being, like my own blood brothers and sisters. With this mentality, you go judge. When you want to put a material out there, if your own blood brother like this one, you go put that where you talk in location and position and name. We'll be careful, I beg. We'll be very careful. You know, we'll be very careful. I want to talk about the Swiss talks. I want to give us a little update about the Swiss talks. You know, this topic about the Swiss talks, it don't be one of the most discussed topics in the past weeks and months. We don't hear Swiss talks. The one say Swiss talks na sham. This one say there is nothing like Swiss talks. You get some people where they be happy. Make Swiss talks stay away, never even start. But let's be fair. We will judge from a fair background. Fellow Ambazonians. You see, these Swiss talks, right? In as much as we talk about the Swiss talks, we know they give the Swiss talks the A and Z for Ambazonia. You see, the Swiss talks don't get any relevance like it being a key for determining our independence. No. The mentality we'll get for the game and say, we already be independent. We get for act accordingly. If you stay for house with your papa, and then you tell your papa say, you don't be 18. Papa, I don't be 18. I've been a big pikin. I'll be independent. Your papa say, no, you never be independent. You still be my pikin. The fact, I say, no matter how old you be, you always be pikin for your papa. If you see me, Nancho, me and my papa will stand up for you. You would think so we'll be brothers. Most people, they want to see me and my papa, they will think so we'll be brothers. Now my papa, my biological papa. But no matter how big or intelligent or wise or rich I will become for the life, it will always remain my papa. The same for your own parents then. It's a statement of fact. But no matter how much your papa want to deny your independence for life, it no go change so you be independent. As a matter of fact, one of the ways you feel prove for your papa so you be independent, even when you still stay for your house, or when you know they are running, you look for your own house, you pay your own bills, you take care of your own business, be it financially, socially, you know, you cultivate yourself so much maturely, where it will be very evident for everybody where they see you, for believe and accept, say you be independent. Even if anybody wants to deny them, you say, no, that can never be independent. But the way you live your life shows you're independent. You don't depend for anybody financially. You don't depend for anybody socially, materially, anyhow. You live independently. Now, the state that we would do for Ambazonia. Even if United Nations, no one publicly, or La Republic, or whosoever, no one publicly accept our independence. We must cultivate ourselves independently as an independent nation. The United Nations, if you give you independence, La Republic, if you give you independence, freedom is not given. We give ourselves the independence. We cultivate ourselves. We live independently from La Republic. I don't talk this thing. We get a government. We get our national anthem. We get our emblems, the flag. These are the emblems and for every independent country. We get our constitutions. We will go for the amend them and develop them the more and more. So when we work on these things, we develop these things then. The international community, if it deny or La Republic, if it deny or whatsoever, we will develop our defense, our army, our police. Look like Somaliland. I enjoyed the interview with the professor with Secretary Chris. He make and clear say even though the international community they play a game, they don't accept themselves to be independent. They get their own currency. They are living their life. They get their presidents, their parliaments. Hey, perfect. We don't give it a waste of time most of the time for the international community because they are toothless bulldogs. If you take them 20 to 40 years before they accept our independence, but we, the Ambazonian people, we must accept the independence, leave the independence, develop ourselves, kick out La Republic. You see the way Somaliland, they kick out Somali. And you know what? For their days, you need to get Facebook. You need to get WhatsApp. You need to get an intelligent, well-exposed diaspora like we for 2021 would day or 2020 now. We'll be more developed. We'll get more access of communication. We'll get a television. We'll get many activists, many channels, many means of, we'll get easy facilities than these days. So if we cultivate ourselves more and better, but one other thing I learned from that professor, I say, they get sellouts them, they get all these challenges. It make me man know say we are on a very good course. If anybody, Papa and Mommy, want to deceive you, so do what Ambazonian freedom fight. You know they fight, I know they yield good fruits. Tell the person say me go study the history for Somaliland. So for say you will get divided groups, all the small mushroom groups, all the small divided people that it be normal, but with the win. The most important thing I say, every day we see our La Republic be crushed down, La Republic be destroyed, I would gain more influence and more charge. We must continue on that. I want to talk again about the Swiss talks, since I will talk about the Swiss talks. Something the way I want to be very clear. When we talk about the Swiss talks, I want people to understand that for the back of their mind. I want liking the Swiss talks to, for instance, say, you and your brother when they fight. Help me man talk this analogy. As soon as they fight, then some person come, he pay train or he pay a motor, pay ticket, travel like from. I use most when they fight for Boya. some person come out for Bamenda, pay moto, can ride for Boya, for a door, for house. He can't knock door, one can't divide una for fight. You and your brother, and I said, no, we're not going to open the door because maybe that person this so you thought I know open the door because that person this say you want to come join my brother. Your brother say no open the door because that person this so you want to come join you. Move off your side. You know yourself. You say I know open the door for the person because he wear the same clothes. Color close like my brother. Maybe one can join my brother and fight me. You have not even given that person where you don't come knock door a chance to come look into the problem. Better make the person come look into the problem. People will not 2 foot down. When I know in those days for village, when man and woman they fight, they want solve problem. They don't chakara. When woman don't run go for papa house. Papa and mommy they go bring you. Master family they go come. They go cook chop. They put mimbo. Big people go sit down, they talk about the problem. If they don't call them, they come for talk about the problem. Imagine say, you the woman or you the man, you deny you need to come for that meeting. Family people, they will look and say you be disrespectful. It better make you go there, when I judge the problem, then it be say, when I know if you come to an agreed solution, then you decide say what you go you back. Then for say you don't even attend the meeting at all. They call family meeting, you know, go there. It shows you be disrespectful and you know want peace. Now, so I want liking the story for these Swiss talks. You see, the Swiss talks no must end the way La Republic or we Amazonia want. The international community don't give you a platform for La Republic for Sudan and for we for Sudan for Joshua case. For look into the matter. For we for argue a case in the presence of a third party. If we go there, La Republic want make so, we see say Switzerland want make so, United Nations want make so, we go out. We walk out the next day. We tell them so we're not going to take this nonsense. When we go out, anyone asks you say why you go out, you go to say, when I be there for the meeting, and the team they be do and they talk about to be like them, and I rather walk out. Anybody will listen to your case, and listen to your presentation, you will know why you walk out. You will know so you get a justifiable reason. You get a tangible reason why you walk out of that meeting or that agreement or that kind of talk. But if you don't go there at all, you encourage the people, them foolish people, them you encourage them, not active people, not this. It shows that you have a problem. And this is where I have a problem with those denying the Swiss talks. Now, the first international and the only internationally led talks will be sponsored by international bodies. No be we will pay. They never ask you say more pay money. Even though no matter where you concern we. Switzerland they put money. Canada they put money. America don't endorse them. United Nations don't endorse them. Germany don't endorse them. EU don't endorse them. Now, a good beginning for international recognition. I repeat, we already be independent. We seek for these rooms for publicize ourselves and for gain international recognition. You see, those the way they design the Swiss talks, now because they know say that Dr. Sako initiate the Swiss talks. And they fear say when they go there, the international community will recognize the IG, the interim government, will be led by Dr. Sako. That recognition internationally, publicly. So they know, you see, most of the Napo they come from Ayok Tabe camp. People that work with Ayok Tabe. These dirty, wicked, evil people. If not, tell me why person will decide to go for national dialogue. It decide to go for Swiss talks. Which sense they do? How you go decide to go shida with dictator Bia inside a parlor for talk with you? That for say you go talk with you for Switzerland when I know that no man in parlor. When for day about as if you come on go you, if you want to talk to you, know like you come on go you. I don't understand. And you go get somebody they call themselves and they be activists then. They can't talk Swiss talk na lie, Swiss talk na this. Listen, we don't even hear which way the Canadian person talk. I would hear they already point finger towards the Swiss talks. Ask yourself the question, say, if the Swiss talks be really been a bad thing, why it be say France the dynamic La Republic no go there? Why it be say France the invest money, make La Republic go get national dialogue? Una hear say na France be sponsor the national dialogue. Where Ayok Tabe be support am. Ayok Tabe write letter for Bia Becky for special status. Like say na thing that would fight for. Na Nick Santos talk am. No be say na Mr. Nacho talk am. Na be here. I play the video. And then when I can see all this, Ayok Tabe, he gang them, he poem that 8 patients from Maryland, and the rest them, they can't run their mop. They talk, oh, Swiss talk is sham, Sako. Swiss talk na Sako. Now Sako don't do diplomatic move for we Amazonians. I say, Papa, Mommy, what you want them? I said, the key we picking the everyday, not you know what I mean, we try to fight, they go. Or, we want them, say, make some man we get power pass, Pobia, make it can enter. Whole Pobia for Canas. Say me Pobia can shidon down. How person go tell we say me will go for Yaoundé, go shidon for inside Yaoundé. Talk with the dictator Bia inside Yaoundé. But in the one me dictator Bia come for Switzerland, we will talk for day. Then they do this thing now because na Sako initiate the Swiss talks. And the Swiss talk being a fruit for the hard work for Sako. Sako will dey fight every day make Tikwi go for Boya. In this interim government, then they fight. Make them take we go for Boya. Okay. Sako and the interim government, they don't fight, bring we Swiss talks. Ayok Tabe, they don't go now for national dialogue. Papa and Mommy, you will listen to me. Judge for yourself. Eric Tato, Mark Berata, Ayok Tabe, these devilish demons. Wicked people. May God punish their generation. Because they don't care for the blood of our Pekin the way that they die. They want to go get position inside La Republic. They say, me will make them too proud. Me and Bazoyan, they make them too proud. They say, me Pekin then go back for school. See how Pekin they go die for Kumba. They say, oh, me Pekin them go join Kamto for make it proud. May them go for national dialogue. Inside Bia. But them deny say, may they not go for Switzerland, may they go Josh Pobia. They deny me they not go for place where one man go shidon. Look Pobia, they go question Pobia. Even the national dialogue, when I see Pobia go there, Pobia not even make a speech. Like say he be concerned about the citizens of a country where they go for national dialogue. He not even show, like say, be concerned. Even for talk, he not even talk for them. He show you how he despise them. They be useless. Now for the way Ayok Tabe, Eric Tato, Tapang Alvo, Mark Barata, Ayabacho, these frustrated baboons. The one will go join, will go enter for that cocoon and bondage. You see, people where they still live under the bondage for La Republique, under the darkness for La Republique, under the manipulation of the evil powers of La Republique. They be in a trance. They be hypnotized. Now then they follow the flow of Bia. Some of you don't break out of that darkness. And I wonder if you understand, I cannot comprehend it. Why person would deny, may they not go take Bia, go for United Nations. May they not pull Bia, go for Switzerland. But may they better go join Bia for Ghana, or may they go join Bia for inside Yaoundé. Who shall be better? And wouldn't must mystify the Swiss talks? If La Republic come for the Swiss talks, we go there. If La Republic talk foolish, we walk out. We need to stop the power fire for Ground Zero. We must increase the power fire. Now, what way? We all must continue to contribute for our countries and contribute money for increase the fire for ground. So that when we go for that Swiss talk one time, we need to talk like people where they come back. We need to talk from a standpoint of control. We get control of the ground. And we'll get control of the ground as Sako. All 98% of all the fighters for Ground Zero, they do under Sako. They do under the IG. The Swiss talks, now Sako, you don't initiate them. It be pull La Republic for the international community. But my tell now which will be bad for you. You see, all those where they fight against Sako, they fight against the interim government. First, they say the idea of the interim government is a bad thing. Second, they say, oh, Sako is a bad man. They say the Swiss talks is a bad thing. Wait till that one they tell you. Now the same people they say, may Pekin them go back for school. May we go for national dialogue. May we go for Yaoundé. For special status. They refuse the Swiss talks. You know why? They did do this thing now because of politics. Then the fear say, now, Sako don't initiate the Swiss talks. Now, Sako be the leader and he be the interim government president. Their minds is go there for prison. And they are countryman. And they are person. If La Republic should done now, they will see that Sako don't should done the talk. They don't want her. They don't just like her. Because that Sako want to we go boya. Excuse me. When I hear they go talk for video say, if it be say, na Sako go take we go for boya, better mo no go boya, mo better go back for slavery for La Republic. Papa and Mommy George. They say that for say Sako go take we go boya, mo we go back for slavery for La Republic. You see the wickedness of their heart. Now them way every day when they come, they form one lie against Sako and Chris Anu and Mr. Nancho. Sako, Chris Anu, Mr. Every day for their live show, every day for their talk, they must tell you only lie against Sako, against Chris Anu, against Mr. Nancho. Then you hope say, when they tell you all this lie, you go believe say, oh, these people are very bad people. You know, go support them. You know, go support the good work that they do. Namely, for take La Republic, for go for court, for international community. Them prefer for go for waiting. When I hear they can't say picking and go back for school. La Republic go kill picking them. When I hear them can't talk say, we'll go for national dialogue by proxy. When I even see Nick Santos can write here, Ayok Tabe, give it document, me in a Yerima, make them go for national dialogue. What a terrible thing. Now these people, they will come now for back. When they don't fail, they will come to and say, Papa, Mommy, them, Ambazonia must be free. When you hear what they talk, you go to say, oh, but he don't talk say Ambazonia go be free. He talk for Ambazonia. But hear what they talk fine. See what they do. They totally against our freedom. Now, devil, now so wish man they behave. Now so wish man they behave. Too much corny. I don't talk this thing and I go talk now. My own responsibility now for tell you the truth, mommy and papa. For tell you the truth, my brother and my sister. But our collective responsibility for make the right decision we go forge way ahead. You see, we feel like I would delay, would turn around, would make many. We are picking they go die plenty. But we feel decide now for pull La Republic quickly for the international community. We feel do it. But if we do, I only want to follow these foolish people, their talks, the way they want to take we go back for La Republic. Can you imagine? And one cause of modernism because if I just think of this thing, it be like my vomit, very rotten, dirty set of individuals. I mean, I don't think she know the table because they smell. I mean, I cannot sit on the same table with somebody like Eric Tato. He says smell. If you hear the way they talk, the rottenness, it is smell. Each patient. Mama should not wait for the same table talk. On that Mark Barata. Listen to these devilish boys. They will say, we'll go for La Republic. They tell us, say, Swiss talks and sham. Listen, Papa, Mammy. One other thing I want to correct and say, we'll not go overgive the Swiss talks. So kind of important. Make La Republic noticing our last hope. Maybe our last hope. Because if we enter Swiss talks today, we don't sing Swiss talks. If we enter Swiss talks today, La Republic want to talk foolish. You know what take what thing will talk. The international community want to support La Republic. Will they work out? Will not be beg them? Will be France? Will be Switzerland? Will be Canada? They don't fit take on us. Will they tell them which we want? Will they enter for them like to car? Put one for pocket. We'll tell them say, listen, we've come here. These are the conditions. This is what we want. We are an independent country. We have restored our independence. We are backing and embarking on defending it. We give them a peaceful conditions for separation terms with La Republic. La Republic no want to take them. Let's continue the war. We'll go increase our firepower. We'll take the battle across to them. We start killing their papa and their mommy and picking them. They go back. Any other man want come after the Swiss talks. You know we can't talk that like in the Swiss talks. If in case he fail, he will know say this guy them they be serious. Maybe we will get 3 that kind of Swiss talks themselves. Maybe Switzerland talk will come. It can go. Another one will come. It can go. Then so one will come. It can be. We don't know, but we must start from somewhere. And the first thing we'll get them at hand. Now this Swiss talks. They say a bird at hand is better than 1,000 in the bush. So why some person he will say A B for Ambazonia, It be for the freedom of our nation. It deny the Swiss stocks. It cost Sako. It cost the Swiss stock. All can lie against the Swiss stocks. But it support special status. Well, you don't even know what to do for the special status. Yeah, Nick Santos can't tell we say, we'll be happy. We thank God say Ayok Tabe don't go back pobia for special status. Abomination. Curse. Be on that mouth we talk. Say, more thank President Bia, say one give you special status. For real? That means if they don't take, we say, we'll be so desperate for go and back or go back pobia for speak. God forbid. Now we think that kind of things if we hate it. May God punish you in the 10th generation. Maybe after our picking they don't die. Maybe after baby matter don't be roasted. Mama happy, look picking there they die. Mo go shout out to La Republic for make come to poor. Curse be that mouth for every tato and Mark Berata way talk that talk. Mo go make Camto proud. Who is Camto? How Camto relate with we? Mo go make Camto proud. Are you guys sick? The ambassador has a day that we should not quit. They will go the next day. You see, the problem with the revolution is some of we are fools. I'm tell you the truth. And I want francophone call we say Anglo fools. How person go can't tell you me go make Camto proud for sure. He tell you the next day he can't like you go the wash again. You shouldn't. Are you a fool? It means you support you know, and that trash when you talk. Person can't coach person like do one again, do one to sleep with my woman. You can't talk that dirty. You know that dirty rottenness, coach woman they last them. Do I like move for cow? Sorry for that. Use that kind of watch on my show, but when you see those things, look at the level where they want to pull me down Amazonia. Make the international community look like a joke. We are more than that. We are more than that. And I want round off for 31. La Republic be very good for use and abandon people. I'm going to talk about the DDR saga. And I want to put this for Skimon and Siam. You see, few weeks ago, when I will see one I call Kawa Yaniko, you know, the other they call the number right. Then they move around and they clap. Oh, we are the people. We are the one that they glad and they clap. They say that they are covered the win. They say that them now they don't enter they don't go be an ex-amber them. See, this message I want to talk here. That message show every Ambazonian restoration fighter must get. If you join me, never click on your share button. Do because you don't discuss that Facebook they fight hard for suppress my page. And some of when they support it. If I did live, Facebook they try to suppress Mr. Nanchopi page. If you join, now whether I back when I'm on the share. Because someone need to know what they talk about. Grand zero for the Moyera. What people must get it. Facebook and France, they fight for suppress we. So you must call your cap, like them, put thumbs up, put love sign, support them. Share them. We must learn to do the social media fight back. Like probably the people that they can't dislike or page them, right nonsense. I didn't answer the word can make negative sign. They pay them, they are job that they have nothing doing. They wake up for money time. It's Mr. Nachop life, Prince J. Kade life, Paul the Long Day life. They can't attack those pages them. We now want to be the good ones them, the beautiful Ambazonians them. When I go for Johelewi, fight back. I then have a studio. I don't feel the control. I don't feel the block. I don't feel do all those things them. Now you go. This is a general fight, my brother and sister. It's an existential fight. The international community be willing to destroy we. You don't discover and say, when you write something against France, they can't block your account. Or they can't pull down that post somehow. We must support ourselves. You can't join show the one. Punch love sign. Share. We must fight back. Talk back. You know, see, if you do like business, you want money. Now we pay money. Now we pay money, you get them. It give the money service. We must fight these people back with all which we'll get. As for our papa and mommy them and picking them, fight them for Ganzo, we're gone. I want to say, if you get a teeth for fight, bite. But most, I said, even if they are teeth, use and bite. Even if they are foot, use that one foot fight. If you have one finger, if you just the punch, the share, the punch, we must fight, they fight, let's say tomorrow, no day. If you there for bush, fight, let's say tomorrow, no day. If you dey for house, fight, let's say tomorrow no day. If you be crippled, fight, let's say tomorrow no day. If you put your money, fight. Let's say tomorrow no day. This is an existential war. The one a war with they. And this lead me to the topic where I want to talk for this DDR saga nonsense when La République try to see. It be very clear here. La République is tactics and game. It be simple. That they use you. No, that firstly they can't deceive you. Then they use you. They abandon you. When I say Kawa Yannick, I'll just take 2 of them today. When they run their mob them.
Some of this reason is very simple, which is marginalization. We were treated as second-class citizens in our own mother, in our own father's land or our motherland. Some of us are degree holders.
Okay. Now watch. Now Kawa Yannick this. You see, I will play a series of videos, but I want to start with this. When I see Kawa Yannick, now in this now the rub is skillful down the cry. By the way, I will play the video again. I want to play another video more when I see this, when I see before.
Neye Onima. A statement by Kawa Yannick. Continue. At the opening ceremony of the major national dialogue. The 31st of September 2019.
What do you say?
The 31st of September 2019.
Hey! What? Sino?
Yes.
Go over, shout. Actually, typo error. Yes. Okay. Continue.
Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, Head of Government, all the protocol respected, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all.
You see? I told you.
As we officially begin.
What?
Oh, no.
You will move out of this house.
See, no laugh. This one soon surely tension. Why yeah? Not easy for top of cafe now. So it's again come. I trust my boys. Okay. No problem. Continue.
It is both an honor.
Yes.
An honor and high responsibility for me to invite.
Come again.
For me to invite.
Hi.
You be mumu.
You will end up in McDonald's. He will end up in McDonald's. That's what I'm saying, and I really meant what I'm saying. Hi.
I will not waste your time trying to speak like a university professor.
Of course you cannot. Tell them why.
Some of us are degree holders.
I'll wait again.
Some of us
are educators.
Jesus is Lord. Jesus is wine. You are a mumu man.
You see everything? Nah, I'm done.
We were treated as second-class citizens in our own mother, in our own.
Will you keep quiet? How can you say this?
Country people. Now so La République take a dribble Kawa Yannick, the CV. Kawa Yannick they run him up like razor blade where don't meter cocoa leaf. Prip in the talk. Oh, we are now this. In fact, I play on another video. We no see that one for me. Take the next one now here.
It is because I was one of those that would train and trained others.
Ah, okay.
So
that is where you got the capacity to speak in public.
Not the capacity to speak in public. That's we have our own language. That's speaking English.
Now, yes.
Then it is. Let me say it is. That's why
you speak with the heart.
Yes. So it is something that is why even the Cameroon national anthem I know to speak the Ambazonian anthem more than Cameroon anthem. So that is the same thing that is in me. So
hold on. You see, when La République try to deceive you, manipulate you, which way they say I will always come out. Kawa Yannick inside heart na Ambazonia. It no be no. If go na for ya on the way they so, then the interview say, you see, I know to sing the Ambazonian anthem more than the La République anthem. And I did talk am only with me at 4C. Now I did talk am. When they deceive you, they give small money. Isa talk say, oh, me Amba fighter they come, you know, come out for bush. Me they come for DDR center. Money is sweet. If it is still sweet, okay, we will see how far the money take you small time. If they want more, but even for the interview that they give for Isa Yaoundé, when I hear see talk of here, now Isa open more talk more. When I hear what you talk,
more than Cameroon anthem. So that is the same thing that is in me. So with time, I'll cope.
You speak with the heart.
Yes. So it is something that is why even the Cameroon national anthem, I know to speak the Ambazonian anthem more than Cameroon anthem. So that is the same thing that is in me. So with time, I'll cope. But for what I said yesterday, it is normal. If this team, this dialogue want to be successful, those that helped me to leave the forest, because I was already in a position that I would say I do make more than 3 million francs every week. So, but it is not easy for someone, a young guy like me, to be.
When I hear, if he talked there, as a matter of fact, I want to change the name. Henceforth, in name na Kawa Yannick. No be Kawa Yannick, you na cow, no cow, me cow. Because he say cow, he hate na a cow hate. Na me doll a cow. Dollar. You know, you carry cow for go slaughter up, he still follow you go the dance. Now see they draw the cow, take and go for slaughterhouse, he go, he dance, he follow. Cow Yannick. He talks a time if he do with Amber, he be day fine. He get like 3 million CFA every week. Okay. I don't argue because he come on and him up. Now he testify. Right? Okay. He left Amber way, La République deceive you, they'll give you a good life, they'll give you a good job, they'll give you coat, you go to work coat, go enter office. Cow you. I mean, that kind of cow you even get home. When I know that kind of cow, they no get home. Cow you and no get home. You know, not to their hate. They take you to go to slaughterhouse. They say, no, they want to take you to go where you could, they'll give you office, you go to work, eat glass. Whoa! DDR center. Now, yeah.
To have an opportunity to make money when I still leave the forest. Yeah, so, and I was someone that controls many villages. I was the first person who brought this Amber team in India, Meme, and we were the first in Mani division. So I was in a high level of this Amber issue that so many of us, like so many people, they knew it very well.
You needed a lot of patriotism to drop.
Yes, so that is why before.
You see, person where the interview, the person one dribble talk where they talk. But when the spirit of Ambazonia they inside you, no matter how you want go follow deceptive, manipulative schemes out there, that spirit will talk. When I don't see Nyambere go for Nakumba, he talk, he say inside Ambazonia land. Because he said no. So these are now fools them, now cow them with a doll. And I thank God say Papa God permit me, they kind of want them to go astray because he want to teach some of you now what fighters want to see day. Wanna learn. Wanna not ever go for this kind of trap. Because cow Yannick, the cow Yannick, that the pull ye. Take it over slaughterhouse for go slaughter ye. Wanna be kissing some more time. I wanna hear what you talk.
It takes very long time, about 6 to 7 months. Just on social media, Dogsman, Mike, Beretta.
I saw you speaking with Franklin Jumain, who adores you very much.
Yeah, those are the people that really encourage me. But the government has never done anything to me. Apart of the t-shirt I'm wearing, that's what the government has.
I love that last talk we talk. I want to hear what you talk again. If then inside Yaoundé so, we don't go for national dialogue. We are tabed on the CV with a poem that 8 patients from Maryland, Eric Tato, and the rest of them. They don't deceive them when they go for national dialogue. It go reach a national dialogue. I don't tell you say forget it's no be bad thing. But for the work at the sleep small girl that they give the AIDS, like every tattoo they do for Maryland. They give girls them AIDS anyhow. This if you get a picking, when even you see every tattoo with number for your phone, when I get just one and delete that, block the phone. Because now a good distributor, they can say healthy giver. What your wife is sufficient. Now so you deceive Kawa Yannick, may you go join the one, may you go for Yaoundé. Kawa Yannick there for Yaoundé. When I hear what you Kawa you talk. When I hear, I like the last part where you talk when I hear.
Very much.
Yeah, those are the people that really encourage me. But the government has never done anything to me. Apart of the t-shirt I'm wearing, that's what the government have given me.
So, for all the time waiting for GG Arrow Center, he don't drop his gun. Now he to say he get 3 million CFA every week. He don't drop gun. He don't go join La Republique for GG Arrow. They never do no nothing. They give that t-shirt. He say government never do no nothing. Apart of that t-shirt, they don't give. And then when I see, when I can see the man. Merci, Rapa. Merci, Rapa. When I see Rapa for young boy, we cow your little up. No, I'm gonna draw that thing go back again. Who see that Rapa? That Rapa, you know, so two pourri par them. That tout pourri par them. On a seen that Rapa sweet me. On a seen that Rapa. That tout pourri par them. When they look at my turn and chew stick. Chaco. On a seen that Rapa. On a seen that. On a seen that Rapa. God have mercy. Now, when I ask you that, say, that the DG Arrow Center, this is the one you go there. You will be fighter. You be brave warrior. You get your freedom. You get gun. Be the fear you. Police the fear you. Army the fear you. The one you drop your gun. You go tie. You can have 2 piri Rapa. Eh? They didn't laugh you. You know, see that? I think they run him up. Say, oh, when I come for DG Arrow Center, the government will take care of you. You will be fine. So if they fine, that's what it. When I see the Rapa, so I see the, I don't go to escape for that the cry. So, oh, I be teaching when they come with the DG Arrow Center, when they come for can enjoy, when they come for can get life. When I see me, I mean this, I want you to die me for here. Now, man, this way be there for national dialogue. They give t-shirt. Now, I talk, I said that the only thing that the government don't do for you, they don't give t-shirt. What does this tell you? More put joke and laugh aside, because some of these things that you can only laugh about it. You see, La Republique will deceive you, use you, then abandon you. La Republique deceive cow, Yannick, that cow head. Deceive is a come for Didi, I'll drop your guns, we'll take care of you, they give small beat them. He work out to be for 1 week, he no say they fine. They deceive you. After that, after La Republique finish the city, what did La Republique do? They use Z for national dialogue. They give t-shirt. He wear the t-shirt. He can talk. He say, oh, you know, I am educators. He talk some kind of grammar where I never hear him. I mean, hey, that dictionary will still discover him. Talk. Come on for day. Like this. I tell you, 3 things that La Republique will do with you. They will deceive you. They use you, then they abandon you. Now, like when you abandon you, when I start situation, skip for down in the cry. Now that the cry, he say, "Oh, now leave me, I play a game." When I say, "An abandoned man." So you will be fighter. Kawa Yannick they deceive you. Clovis Massari on My Country People and the rest of them. Now they deceive you. See to the one you can be. Now you can't retire apart, you sleep for that, you join them and they cry and they regret in their life. Now like this, if we even see the West on court, they drive better motor, they get office, we will say, oh, it's better. Better than this. La Republic will deceive you. You can't drop your gun. They will use you like they use Yannick for the one deceive the international community. La Republic no love you. Look, if you be Ambazonian, La Republic no love you. All the one our natural resources, our raw materials, our girls them. All the one after the sleep where you small get them. Right, see, Papa will come out your own day. We get AIDS. Can't pick university girl go get AIDS. Your own girlfriend or sister. Now they are work then they can't take what petrol. They will take timber for Manfe, the right stamp they say San Malima. Now all that they want for use we, kill we, destroy we. They will deceive you. Look at the deceive you, make sure they go drop gun. They take it, they can't use it for national dialogue. It talk. Now they don't abandon it. Look at see the cry. They be frustrated. What about Nambere? Why am I playing the short audio? When I hear her, you Nambere they open him up, he cry. What about the other one they call say wanna wait see. Wanna padia sanga wanna see. Padia sanga. Padia sanga, my hand was up for a very long time. My hand has been up for a very long time. He gave people around me. How would I say it? Do you know what it means protesting? I was born to protest. They are all protesting. I was born to protest. They will go. That is Sombo this. The Sombo. And this is screen. La Republic agent. If they run him up, they call people and say, oh, may they can't go join DJ Arrow, may they left Amber, may they do this. Then that he don't go for the national dialogue. It be frustrated. When I see that, he just, I don't know. In fact, I know can't talk about the same of a coach. But the lesson I want us to learn, every Ambazonian listening to me right now, is that La Republic's aim is to use you. I mean, to deceive you, use you, then abandon you. You see all the activism. The one way they can't coach Sako every day because La Republic don't give more money. The one use it. Look at Yoktabe, where the one do all that thing from prison under the influence of La Republic. The one use it. La Republic apparently go deceive them because you go deceive them, manipulate them. All the activists, they don't go take money for La Republic. A poem, the 8th patient of Maryland, Mark Arata, all them, name them. That other one, any AGC don't use it to take Kiki out. Tapang don't become a frustrated idiot. AGC use it. Ayabacho uses to take Kiki out. Yeah, that's the same way for La Republic. Now, we can say be freelancer, wait. La Republic will deceive them, use you. My little advice to you guys, and all one of the internal enablers them, one of the wrong one mob, don't want to talk this. Learn from history. Show me one Amazonian, Southern Cameroonian, where La Republic don't ever hold their promise for you. Even Tato, when been a Tato Steve, when been a good player, play football, win, cups them, give that country glory. Look where they kill it. They leave it die a wretched die. They use it, deceive it, use it, abandon it. Now you will be different. Even the Didi avoid them, Kawa Yannick, Nambere, they carry all them, they use them, abandon them. Now you, they record the other say, they say na Yambele. I hear some person say na Nambere, no, na Yambele. Say Nambere, Yambele, Yam, I bele de le Yam. Ma put it for scheme on the scene, either. That way, be Amber. Oh, I know I just the screen for, and sorry, forgive me. I put a picture. You wanna see? Now, that day, be the correct Amber soldier. So, see, be the fine. He hold gun. He no be fat. When I can't see now, it's Yambele. He say, don't go join the Republic. Now, see, belly for young boy. Say, I'm up open. Oh, my God. Okay, my Patrick, he apprentice. Ama, you'll join this month, no worry. Yeah, but otherwise they say we are educators. With the sorrow now. Now Yambele that Yambele. La Republic don't deceive them, use them, abandon them, and that the tactics that for your Republic. Like only go use you. You today way that the one use you deceive you. Say, oh, Cameroon can never be separated. Do this, do that. Don't worry. La Republic will deceive you. After they finish deceive you, they use you, then they abandon you. Like how they don't do with the other them. I'll take a few calls before I round up. I think I'll get the first call on the line. Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Nanchop. You get me?
5 on 5.
Okay, thank you for the good show where you try for talk for educate Amazonia people, especially people the way they there for Ground Zero. And maybe too with the one the way they did for diaspora, especially the one the way they follow people where they don't talk lies, they kill a leader, they put up water, they talk lies, they sweet talk not they exist, and when they prove the show, they not even come out for can't talk say they be make mistake for even confess and repent. And then been a very good advice. I mean, we call on the people the way they been at the followers of say, when the one wait now say now until when. Before I know say these people are people the way they don't serve for the Republic. People they lie every day. Now only when they give support for them because when they still follow them, they go forward. They follow them, they go forward. It means when I don't know what way when they talk. Me when I not mind which way some person they talk say Amazonia. Mine are the person the actions. So I want to give some comment about the videos the way you talk say people are for Ground Zero. They take and put them for outside day. Here you did share blame for activists and you did talk for some NFC people NFC people or maybe county people Well, the problem I say all these things then they will still come out outside. This video they will come out. There is no way we can stop these things except we use some kind of practicalities. If activists they want fight for the revolution, they get a genuine mind. It's a one forum again with activity where you want spoiler and spoiler. When you get picture, it is just want to share with the other person. You don't know say the man want spoiler and spoiler, it will take and put them for outside. If I take for inside one group with Mark Barata or Eric Tato and the rest, any time they don't put them for they say, oh, when I see it don't happen. I feel they put them with good intention, but when I don't know say then they will take and go put them for outside with bad intention. So now the thing that we see say actively the way they or most in except NFC people the way they did for NFC when they work under IG they still work again with AMF they still work again with ADF. You realize and say when some of these things come so they will take another they share them and they share them thinking say they have with good faith but they don't know say the other people that will take them for use and against them. So it also goes with the people the way they did for so for solve this matter and I say what if you been and say you be activist you get for choose your lane. If you don't choose your lane, say no. Me wanna not make that talk say no. Me any man there for you here for every person. Choose your lane. Talk say okay no. You want decide for fight now under Ayeba. Continue for Ayeba. But if you don't talk say you want to be under interim government, you not get right for belong to group with people the way they want bring down the institution of interim government with the counties and the LGA or people where they interim talk say no they don't recognize interim government they recognize Ayeba they recognize this. But when you want to talk they tell and say oh any my own opinion matter you get for year what you they talk. So if activism where they say they support the interim government they belong now only inside their own group the way they did for interim government not with the staff people. Okay you see I say this and not when they go for outside because they will get where they need for preserve, they will talk say no, this one not correct or this one correct before they vet and they send them for outside. And then again another thing I say we get some country chair people defense people whether they work with AMF and then they still work again with NFC and the country chair people that where they there for IG and they still go collude with IU them and the rest. So this information them they will still always go outside there. So another way for solve this matter and I say all the boys away, they don't take their pictures, their picture where you send up for man, they say me you send up for you, maybe for whatever reason. When you see this picture for social media, now you get for looks of person like Clovis, Mr. Clovis Nanchop, where they condemn the accident, they put the picture for social media. You where we make the picture for Ground Zero. Call Clovis, tell Clovis, say, you see, brother, this picture will be there for social media, we be talk so. Now this person be tell me, say, man, make a send up for you, I be sending only for you. In that way, we will know the exact person where that picture be pressed for your hand. Because maybe people for Ground Zero, they feel the tree now, person when I enable them, when they don't know, but when they only can't talk, they say, oh, they don't catch when I don't over so far, when I make videos, send up for me, I'll put them for outside, so that people will support when I give them money. But when you don't know, say this, so that person will go take an for playing an evil agenda for La Republic people. Because we get people where they get for bad faith. How you fit tell me say we hear some people that they talk say my country people now a black leg and your mommy and their papa and their brother sister people they come over one village they know you red name know you red picture no play where they stay there and they allow you say me work at the key people instead for them for tell people they say this is the person where they call say my country people so and I blame ambassador where they go to listen to those people or wait there is no need for you go talk say you want to belong for a group for black leg group that for no way they think that is not your business. That is not your business. If you want to be a clean person, you go for children on top toilet, for outside toilet. Maybe I say you want to go for inside toilet for see where toilet they inside. You will carry maggot and you will carry smell for your skin and it will make you know the thing in a proper manner. So now, which way would they talk and say? And another thing I'm just talk. I beg story, so I don't take small time. Another thing they talk and say. When I see say like you don't talk say Kawa La Republic don't go free give a t-shirt. La Republic not they keep the promise. Now why that people they advocate like 2 months and say we will go for 1972 federation. I say wait it will change, wait it will happen for first federation and it always change. La Republic knowing that today is start. When I remember you read some book they will call and say the old man and the maiden where they go take land. La Republic carry land for some months so now they fool you say me go give you medal. They all be motivate. They go outside. They check say they go give medal and some big thing. They only carry as a rope put up for your neck. Now how they don't give kawa t-shirt where it take a put up for your skin. So that's not La Republic. That's not La Republic. They do all those things. So I'm not going to take a lot of time. I want to tell Amazonian people them say if you day we are brother, you day we are sister. All man we don't already take 4 years. We don't already know who they stand perfectly and genuinely for independence. We don't know how they don't talk. They condemn Swiss talk. And Swiss talk, they don't come through and say it be active and it be current. Why they don't can repent, talk, say, oh, sorry, that talk, it may want to continue, we want to talk. Now they are on US, German led talks, the way they be lying on who say a day, nothing is coming. They can't lie on all these other kinds, nothing is coming. 35 years, nothing, no accountability. Apanga another who got the talk now say, you don't give orders, they make a recovery. How do you recover? You recover, say you don't solve the matter. We never solve the matter. We even signed ceasefire, say, me La Republic return to their barracks. Barracks were in Amazonia. We want La Republic to be out of Amazonia, not to return to their barracks within the territory of Amazonia. So, brothers and sisters, if you don't already know, we don't tell any names them. So I'll be very disappointed. Say some people, when they skip it, they say, oh, me when I hear that name, when I hear what they talk, even coalition for dialogue. Where do they talk? I say greater autonomy. So when you listen for now, and all the kind people, when they all the rest, I mean, stocks them and all these guys, when I know say when I go now for bad place. So
thank
all
you.
man for DDR center, when I know say when I be Christmas go the way the rock buy when I keep and they feed them. So me when I gain more weight, then for Christmas day when I get for work at time when I plenty. Sorry, say I overtake plenty time. Thank you, Papa. You
talk fine. Thank you, Come UN. I will take the next caller. Before I allow the next caller for talk, I want to make it clear, just like Como UN talk. It talk plenty to them in a very short time. And it talk I'm fine. Most of now that the fool and someone go for GGR now. Now when I blooded the one reason for Christmas sacrifice, man make it clear. We don't see video the way some boy then come out say that they go for GGR. I mean they catch them for road. They say that they go, they say that they go GGR. They say they say they be ex-Amber, they say yes. They put gun, they shoot all of them. They kill them. Look, you just say you don't kill B, kill army. When they are colleague, they are brothers them, they are cousin them. You go shoot out and they take you, they integrate you, they give you work. Oh God. Before I want to round up, so I go play that video for 2 minutes. When I hear Hannah Bere cry again, when I hear wait you come off him up, he cry, he regret. I get the call on the line. Hello, madam. Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Natural.
Yes, bro. Welcome to Amber Voice.
I see you for work.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I just want to talk my own small one to where the ever get up. You know, say this kind of thing where they talk this Swiss talk, then some man's time for some first talk say no be anything. But the only thing we be there now say when that man talk say no, you know the show head for needle highway they did the sue they close the door. You know the shaky hand, you know they even move some things that may stand for some place before place no day. And then we just sit on the listen for it. Anyway, I also think that, you know, You remember this kind thing where they say, their fatherland no tongue can tell. And then you don't say now land of milk and honey. You know? So they get to change that phrase now, put them for their tail and toil will always end in vain. They will suffer so they will hear their head. And then they will come with this thing for yam belly and yam neck.
Cow yannick. That cow.
And the cow yam neck. Cow yam neck. Yes, I don't know that's the way the thing is. You know, say they are named them for other people, them, especially the one where they kill Sako, Livia, kill Fimasha, kill Chacha. You know, all that people, their name na Mona. Their name na Mona. Anytime from now, any man way na enable a name na Mona. Because we don't hold a Mona so they how many years today and they know the great end. They only born like Ra'ara that we have. Yeah. All their name now, Bible call them be Mona them. And you call someone say Mona, it tell a lot of story. With a 100 short sentences like this, it tell a lot of story. Then for me for Enam, I want to say now so how we boys they don't say they don't improve. The thing where they feel they do them where I feel suggest where they no feel leave one night pass. Now any office where they open, tell me people they go inside, they go work, then get report for your own day. All that office then they must be down. Because now that office them too, they use them for harbor these people they worry with these terrorists them too. So and when they don't get place for sit down for do work, then get report for different place, they will not say that time they will come now for them now. So they will give way. Thank you, Pa.
Wonderful. Wonderful contribution. Thank you, bro. Wonderful. Country people, as we round up for today, and my one call again, if you call, we don't touch a series of things today for this show. And the last roundup topic we'll talk about how La Republique would deceive many Amazonians then. He used them, then he abandoned them. For example, what's that failure on Kongode? They don't use this deceive. You don't become the most useless man we ever existed in Amazonia. Cow. Yannick, when they pull in and they go for slaughter, I don't go sleep now till Tupuri Rapa. Rapale. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Hey, Maza. The only one young bear, I see belly for your boys, yeah. If I begin to do now, just choke a fear, poof, your boss. See belly for young boy. Say, I'm up open. May God have mercy here. You see, if you look past the way over evil day for you, you see that devil, when devil enter, devil remember war. People that war, they get physical war. Now devil says, I mean, look down for Mary last year, flat for back like a man no talk that kind of sick. I mean, if you see them, see the one. There, one a cow and I still go for that with the trouser. Brothers and sisters, I get the collar, but before I take the collar, I want to round up. Don't allow yourself to be deceived. And they talk both for the one for diaspora and the one for back home. We don't discuss La Republique don't creep into some of the counties. They deceive their county chairs, their LGA chairs. Don't allow yourself to be deceived. Because what La Republique go do, they go succeed for deceive you. Then they go use you against your own people. Like how did they do? Then after they abandon you, will become the most frustrated. Look what the devil do to Judas Iscariot. Use it for save Jesus. Even the money we use and save Jesus, you don't even chop her. You go hang yourself, kill yourself. The money will be, even the save Jesus for get money. Some of you they want say Amazonia, when they want join La Republique for do what they do because you want get some gain, you want get some profit. They deceive you. They do one the way they tell them say they'll give them position, they'll give them job, they'll integrate them. At the end, they don't get nothing. They can be the most useless, then they die. Now, today, one will remember you, when we talk about the story of Amazonia. I get a call on the line. My here to you, do a brother again for Terry. Hello, sir. Welcome to Amber Voice.
Yeah. Good evening, Mr. Nancho.
Good evening, Patole.
One, I want to make people for know say Eric Dato, them na re-enablers. As they don't talk for STV say, we know if unite. Now why that way they no one more get the country. You see immediately. So they talk every day so one key each other or fight each other. Immediately the joke of start was the one key fee marshal, the one key fee marshal. Now want to propagate that agenda where they be talk. Two, they work as a federation. Who do like for mention federation for side. Three, that's snipers. Snipers now like $10,000. If each county get two snipers, with the stand so bomb, the story teacher change all. Thank you.
Thank you, comrade. Clearly and well articulated. I'm going to take the next caller. We already on the line. Hello, madam. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Thank you very much for the hard work as well.
Thank you.
Now, a small contribution where I want to make for here. I want to touch on the side of this DDR scam, where some of the boys where they think if they think say they will still listen from Yam Bele and Cow Yannick, say they will get some fruitful outcomes from that place. They lie themselves. They know they only lie themselves, but one of the strongest thing where they need to get them say them they take themselves for Wuhan and for prison. Therefore, you don't voluntarily go for prison for job which don't you for DW. Now that prison where your own people say nothing even come toxic. They can't give you pan chop for the way you chop because they go understand say you be fool where you don't take yourself voluntarily go game for la republic for day for prison. You go see say people them way in day for prison now where la republic catch them go lock them illegally. They go live a better life because we now their brothers, their sisters, we go fee for those people. See, they did lock them for a reason we like a wrong one. We go give them chop. We go give them cloth. We go give them medicine. But guess what? When you go hand over yourself for La Republic in the name of DDR Mafia, which way you don't do now, I see, you don't open up your family members to the La Republic gang for go killer. You be there, you be fighter. They don't even know you. Now only we know you like brothers. You the fight for a just cause. The security of your parents, the security of your brothers, the security of your sisters, it will be guaranteed. So for you for go DDR center, which you don't do, you don't take your people, your immediate family, your extended family, you don't go sell her now for La Republic. How you sell up? They don't seize your identity card. Through your identity card, they will investigate your family name, who side you come from, what part of Ambazonia land you come from. Any day, any time where you would attempt for run, they know will only kill you, but they will kill you, will kill your family. If you succeed to run, they will go back again for your parents, for your brothers. Go demand you from them. If they don't see you for them, they will wipe your entire family. So, the message for these people now say, when you the thing say you go DDR Mafia, the thing say you go gain 2 penny, you go gain yellow t-shirt, like Cow Yannick, you go get a bag of money like Nyambere everything. Also things the lives of all your parents going down so they go live courage for your own picking them. You don't open them up. So remember the security threat, not just to yourself. Leave your ego, think about the others where you would go for open up for that cabal for the Yaoundé in the name of TDR. I hope CD message it will go through for fighters them for understand the difference of leaving the real people to go and join thieves. Thank you very much, Mr. Nancho.
Wonderful. Wonderful caller. Thank you so much, comrade. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't come for the end of today's show. I know we'll take calls them again. I'm be sorry for the calls we don't miss out, but I want to round up for talks with you. We know Fife. We don't win. And one of the signs for Social La Republic, the laws, and they be desperate. They will only try to deceive people, use them, abandon them. Because if La Republic at all, they be even get a desire, say the one make things better, even for the life for the boys they call them for DDR. You know what they will do? They will even take them better up their life, give them a chance. But they have no plans. They don't even get that tenor thought even in 1,000 years to come. The boy may feel your Congo take money, bring Nambele, the pig Yannick cow, that cow Yannick and Yambele. They take Yambele, they give Yambele money, they give cow even small money, they give t-shirt. Look to it, they don't give t-shirt. Then that they use it, they show and say, oh, when I see ex-fighters, they don't come back, everything is okay. The one deceive the international community for use them. You will be fighter, hear me, and hear me very well. No fall for that cheap thing. You see, you be more than that. And I know the Ojo way or the return as I go play. I don't already play the Ojo before. When I don't get that Ojo, the Ojo way, they will talk with Yambele. So, country people, I wish you a nice evening. And I thank you now. So when I don't join with today, soon